I've been talking to all these customers for these last few hours, and I've been interacting with people. This hour is gonna be my hour where I'm by myself and I'm enjoying my own company.
I'll give you anything you want from me, anything you want, anything you need,
Hey
anything you
y'all.
so desire.
So it's been a while since I vlogged, but basically today I'm going to be filming a day in my life, going to work and everything like that. I'm rushing, so I don't look up to part right now. Like, my necklace is inside, I'm holding a whole bunch of stuff, but we cool. Like, I'm going to work, like, you know, who the fuck cares? So I'm basically taking you guys with me. So I just got up. Obviously I'm making my way to my car and I'm going to work. I'm a little late, but honestly I haven't been wanting to go to work these last few days, I'm not gonna lie, because I know that, like, you know, it's my last month, so it's like, fuck the lateness, like, who cares?
Put this soda up, I put this soda up, and I drop them, because I don't care. I don't care.
Ooh, the lighting got so much better just now. I'm loving it. But yeah, let's get to work. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know why this AC was just on, but it needs to stay the fuck up because it's kind of cold right now. It was hot the other day where I couldn't breathe outside, so I don't understand. Okay, no comprende. I haven't eaten, but I have this with me that I got from my friend's wedding yesterday, and guess what? That's what I'm gonna eat as soon as I get there. So I'm about to start driving and everything. Music is about to start or whatever, and I don't want to get copyrighted. So guess what? Mona Lisa, and I sweep you off your feet. What up? What's up? Aye. Bye. And everything, and I'm currently at work, and honestly I don't want to have my camera out and everything because it's gonna show too much, and I don't want to get caught because you're not supposed to have anything on you. But guess what, I'm in the fitting room right now. Yeah, in the fitting room. I see my uniform. My Air Forces are done, but you know I use it for work, so I'm like, fuck it, because you have to wear white shoes. But listen, it's done. Let me see. Naisha! Here are my co-workers. Say hi, Naisha. I'm dead. I just... Nah, I don't know if you want to be on there. Sure. Alright. Hello. Hello. This is my camera. I'm just vlogging. But yeah, so I'm about to go fold some clothes. It's really slow right now. And now that, because I was the first one here, so it was kind of like hard for me to do it myself because I didn't have anybody to look out. But there's people here now. So guess what? I'm just going to be folding some clothes. I really like this thing over here. It's kids cargo pants. If I wore it with some socks, it could be good. So yeah, I'm about to fold some clothes or whatever.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when man, I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat, I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag, now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags, now I got a game plan. And I'm out here with the 700 3i5s, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride.
I just finished folding the table. Let me show you how it looks. See, really organized, really clean or whatever. But now I'm just gonna size the walls and put the smallest size in the front and basically move back to the bigger sizes, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I'm currently listening to a podcast. Well, it's not a podcast, a book actually. Yep, I'm listening to that. And yeah, just chilling because it's kind of slow right now. It's not busy at the moment. So let me look for the, ooh, the lighting is nice over here. I just got on my break and I ordered some Panera bread, so now I'm gonna go ahead and see what that is about. So yeah, I started walking already and then I got in the middle. I'm like, let me stop so y'all could see the entrance. But yeah, let's go. I'm back again. So I'm in my car right now and picked up my food, which I'm gonna show you guys in a second. But on my break, I personally love to just come in my car instead of going in the break room because it gets loud in there. People come and talk to you, start conversations. Mind you, you have your AirPods in and you're trying to watch your shows, but it's like they don't know that. It's like, even if they know, they don't care because they will stop you. They will literally be like stop you, have a conversation with you. And yeah, no, I've been talking to all these customers for these last few hours and I've been interacting with people for these last few hours. This hour is gonna be my hour where I'm by myself and I'm enjoying my own company, watching my shows. Okay, so yeah, that's what I'm about to do right now. And I'm currently watching Who Killed Zara, and honey, that show gets crazier and crazier every episode. Because who the fuck killed that girl? We'll never know. You would think you know, and then the next episode is someone else. So that shit is just confusing and interesting and everything at the same time. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got. But I got the courtesy cup of juice because I'm trying to, like, you know, cut down on the pimples and everything like that. Utensil, straw, chips, you know, I'm doing a little haul for y'all. And then I have my grilled cheese and I have my tomato soup. Now, if you go to Panera Bread, you know that the two best soups are the tomato soup. And that tomato soup, at first I didn't like it because it wasn't spicy and salty enough for me. But one of my coworkers suggested that I eat it with like grilled cheese, and yeah, it's so much better with grilled cheese. The other soup is the cheddar broccoli soup. Yeah, that's what it's called. And I usually get that with the chicken avocado sandwich. I usually get the pick two, by the way, and that's how I get it. Like, I either get the broccoli sandwich with the chicken avocado sandwich, or I get the tomato soup with the grilled cheese, and they both taste really good. And I really like their mint lemonade juice. I don't know what it is, but I know it's a lemonade and it has mint on there, and that's it. I think it's like strawberry lemonade, but it's pink or whatever, and that's what I just showed you in the courtesy cup. And then I have my bottle of water because, like I told y'all, I'm trying to stop breaking out and shit. And I usually break out when I'm eating chocolate, I'm drinking too much juice and sodas and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm cutting back on it because I'm trying to get my skin very clear. And yeah, so I'm about to start watching my show, and yeah, we lit.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me, love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly, I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is more than a million. Your
I just got out of work, but I had to rush to the storage unit because it closes in like an hour, and I wanted to make sure that I have extra time to get here and everything like that. Look at my face looking all oily and stuff, but you know that Fenty Beauty be coming through. That shit looks like my natural skin, baby. Okay, this is like the first time ever I wore makeup to work, like ever, and I've been working there for like almost a year, and I never wore makeup. This was like my first time. Like I wear lashes and stuff, but yeah, I worked with makeup today. Interesting. It wasn't bad. It literally feels like my skin, so it's not cakey or whatever. It's just natural, simple makeup look. I think I'm gonna start doing it, especially when I start my life journey. Oh baby, trust me when I tell you, I'm gonna be rocking this face a lot, because I'm just gonna feel like I need to be a little cute, especially when, like, you know, my legs are forming and stuff. But yeah, I'm just here to get some stuff because I moved out of campus. As you guys know, I just graduated and everything, and there's things in here like onions. I brought a lot of my stuff here because I didn't want it to be too much stuff in my mom's house. But I forgot some stuff, and I need some stuff for organization. So yeah, we're just gonna look for some carts because I can't. Ooh, that was easy. That was actually very easy. Got the cart right there. Very, very easy. Now I have to move it around. Let's do this. Let's do this. Look at that. We get to do this. Purr. You're not gonna be able to see me like that. Oh, my stupid ass. It's gonna like that. Let's go on the tree. I don't like the way my camera is moving. So I'm in 6, 8? Yeah, so it's this one. My expensive camera. I don't got time for you to be falling. You better stay up there, okay? Show is not cheap. Whoa! Ciao, we almost there. Better not fail me. Better have our hold. Alright, we're getting close. We're getting close. Alright. Alright, we're here. We heard. Let's park for me. So we're close enough that we can't fall. Yeah. Whoa! I hope there's nobody here, because they could hear my bullshit. No, I don't think that's cute. Y'all, this storage is packed, okay? Packed. But I need to come back. I don't know if I should just take it now and leave it in my car, but I need to come back anyways, because like I'm going to be at school for like 3 weeks, and I'm going to need majority of these stuff. So don't know. I'm definitely gonna need that little garbage. Yeah, I'm gonna take the little garbage with me. It's basically like I'm moving in again. Like that shit is kind of annoying, I'm not gonna lie. But y'all, I don't have anywhere to put the camera without it falling. I guess I'll find a way, but it's kind of dark. You're not even gonna be able to see me anyways. Oh, I like the fact that like the camera adjusted and tried to get some lights on stuff, but yeah, there's not light in here, so I'm going to see y'all later. Okay, here's how it looks. You know, it has a lot of stuff, but it's really organized. Like whenever I come to get stuff, it's very easy to find, which is like the best thing ever. I'm so glad that I organized it from the jump, so now it's easy to just keep up with it. When I add stuff, I just make sure everything is organized, everything is just where it's supposed to be, so that it's easy for me to find it, you know? So yeah, just a little tip out there. If you have a storage, make sure everything is organized in there, and that you don't just throw stuff, so that everything is easy to find and you don't get frustrated every time. So y'all know, after this long day, I had to stop at Starbucks because, honey, I need this, okay? I always get the double chocolate chip frap with extra caramel. So yo, this is my drink, and that's literally how it looks. Today was a day, but a girl must go home, okay? I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to thumbs up, please make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.